Hi, Dave with Align Therapy here. Today I thought we would talk about 4 things that you can do for headaches. Tension headaches and headaches coming from the neck are something that we see a lot at this clinic at Align Therapy. So there are 4 simple things that you can do to relieve headache symptoms and the pain that comes with headaches. Tension headaches are usually headaches that kind of start in the back and work their way forward, or sometimes they start forward and they kind of work their way back into your head. So those are headaches that usually happen when you're doing things a lot with the neck or a lot of tension in the neck. So 4 things. The first thing is just a gentle stretch. So you can stretch your neck to relieve the tension in the muscles that are causing the headache. So the first thing you can do, resting your arm behind your back, tipping your head away from that side and forward so that you feel a stretch down through the muscle here on the side of your neck called the upper trapezius. So trying to get a stretch in that muscle, just a gentle stretch. This isn't one that you're like cranking and trying to tear the muscle or anything, but we're trying to let the muscle relax. So holding about 30 seconds. You don't have to tip your whole body, just tipping your head to the side gently. 30-second hold, and then you can switch and do it on the other side. So remember to go forward a little bit. That'll bias the muscles that are in the back. There are a lot of other neck stretches that you can do, but that's one that kind of targets those muscles pretty well. Number 2, we can use a strap to stretch the neck. So this strap can be a belt, it can also be a towel, it can be anything like that that you can grab onto. It has to be a little bit longer, but you're going to put this around your neck, you're going to let it hang, you're going to reach across, grab like this, the other hand grabs underneath and anchors it. You're going to bring this up underneath your ear, and then you're going to rotate your head and just pull gently so that the pulling happens here, this direction. So you're not slamming against your cheek, you're pulling straight in the direction that you're looking. Hold for a few seconds, let the pressure off, hold a few seconds. We're trying to just stretch those muscles back here at the top of the spine. So do like 5 on one side, and then you'll switch and do 5 going to the other side. This helps to loosen up those muscles that are at the top of the neck that can pinch on nerves that go up into your head. So another way to use a strap is putting that strap in the middle of your neck. You can look up and pull up with the strap to try and get more mobility in the neck. So you can work your way down a little bit with the strap. You can take that up a little bit. You're just trying to get more motion, because a lot of times tension headaches are because of tightness, and the tightness in your neck pinches on those nerves. So if we can increase the mobility of the neck, then it helps. Go gently with this. This is something that if you crank on it, you can definitely overdo it and create more of a headache. So that's number 2. Number 3, we're going to use, here I have 2 lacrosse balls that are taped together. Usually I would use 2 racquetballs that are taped together, but this is what I had on hand. So the tops of these balls are about the same distance as the tension, those knots that are in the top of your neck. So what I'm going to have you do, take this, I just taped them together. If you lay on your back and you put those right at the base of your skull, right where your skull and your muscles kind of meet. Keep that there, and just, you can either let the weight of your head push down onto it, or you can do what's called a chin tuck and just tuck your chin down and put more pressure into those, right into those muscles. And then hang out there for a little bit, allowing the muscles time to relax. As the muscles relax, the nerves should be less irritated and your headache should come back down. You can work that down a little bit into the neck. Sometimes you have to hold on to it because it starts to slip because of your hair. So again, finding those tight spots and then just relaxing into it, letting the racquetballs or lacrosse balls massage into those muscles. I would do that for a few minutes, just allowing the muscles time to relax. So that's number 3. Number 4 isn't necessarily an exercise. Number 4 is take an ice pack. If you have a bad headache and it's really flared up, take an ice pack and put it right at the base of your skull, right right here, right above the hairline, and leave it there for 10 minutes. And leaving that ice pack there for 10 minutes will reduce the inflammation in those nerves if you're having a bad headache. If you're not having too bad of a headache and it's just starting, I would try the other three things, but the fourth thing can definitely be helpful, to put some ice at the base of the skull. If you're having other problems with tension headaches or just general headaches, we do have success with migraines as well in treating those. Feel free to look through our website, and if you need help with it, we'd love to help you. Thanks for watching.